Hi everyone! Ever feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop? Well, in this video, we'll teach you how to break free. We'll explore loop control statements in Python that help you manage your loops like a boss. By the end of this video, you'll have the power to bend your loops to your will and make your code even more efficient. Get ready to take the driver's seat and steer your loops in the right direction. Imagine you're building a chat pod that processes user messages. You'll need loop control statements to handle different scenarios, such as stopping the conversation when the user says bye or skipping a response when the user sends an empty message. Loop control statements help you manage the flow of your loops more effectively. There are three main loop control statements in Python. First, break terminates the loop and resumes execution after the loop. Second, continue skips the rest of the loop's code block and starts the next iteration. Third, pass acts as a placeholder and does nothing, allowing the loop to continue running. Loop control statements are like the superheroes of Python world. They swoop in to save the day when your loops are in trouble. Let's see loop control statements in action with our chat pod example. Let's move to a live recording session on Python notebooks. Let's look at how break continue commands operate within the for loop structure. In this example, we have messages with a list of user-generated items. Based on the user message, an appropriate chat pod message needs to be displayed, and post, which the loop is in the loop. You need to either continue or break away. In the first command, messages could contain, "Hi, how are you? Tell me a joke. Bye." If the message is bye, then the chatbot would have to send out a system-generated message as goodbye, and it needs to break out of the loop. And if the message is blank, then it needs to print out information that you didn't say anything, and it needs to continue with the remaining set of messages. So this is a way where break and continue commands work effectively. In the next section, we'll dive into the world of functions, another essential skill for Python programmers. You will learn how to create reusable blocks of code that make your programs more modular and easy to maintain. Don't miss it. See you in the next section. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable and want to see more awesome content, remember to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Your likes and comments are our fuel, motivating us to keep creating free courses and helpful content. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build this amazing community together.